Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone app, and right here on the right upper corner you will see the three dots icon. Just tap here and go to the settings section. Now just tap to the block numbers, and as can you see we got here two block numbers. Just to remove the number from the blacklist, tap here on the X icon and remove just by tapping here to unlock. And as can you see we got here one more number. We can delete and remove this number from the blacklist by the same way. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.